Welcome to Connected Quizzing, your easy-to-use formative assessment tool on Casebook Connect. From the moment you log in, you have access to all classes you are teaching in one place on your bookshelf. Click on the Connected Quizzing icon to view the page with your classes and all the quizzes key to your casebook or subject area. Under each class, you can download a cumulative report that shows your students' progress across all quizzes, which is especially handy at the end of the semester. But first, you'll want to assign your quizzes. From the Classes page, click on a quiz. Let's start under the Preview Quiz tab. You can expand a question to view answer choices, the rationale, and details exclusive to professors, including the skill and topic. This list format is a quick way to view all questions in a quiz. If you're interested in viewing the quiz from the student perspective, click on the Student Simulation tab. Here, you can go through the quiz question by question and get a sense for how easy Connected Quizzing is for your students to use. Customizing a quiz is a breeze with the help of the Quiz Concierge. Simply click the Quiz Concierge button at the top of the page. Share how you'd like to be contacted, and write us a brief note of the changes you'd like to make. The Quiz Concierge from Aspen Publishing will reach out to you within one business day to discuss and implement the changes you need. When you're ready to assign a quiz to your class, click Assign to Class. Use the checkbox to start the quiz immediately, or schedule your quiz to start on a later date. Then select your end date and time. Next, choose when your students' detailed results are available to them. After the quiz end date, holds the correct answers and rationales until after the quiz ends. Upon student submission, displays the detailed results as soon as students submit the quiz. The third option, Date Range, allows you to select a specific date and time to release detailed results, as well as an optional close date disabling the detailed results for students. Click Next and confirm your assignment. When you schedule a quiz, you can cancel at any time before the start date, as if it was never assigned. Or you can choose a new start and end date by clicking the Edit Assignment Details button. When your quiz has started and is visible to students, you can end the quiz immediately or change the end date and time. The release of detailed results can be changed at any point as well. Additionally, after the quiz ends, you can reopen it, which will allow any student who hasn't submitted the quiz the opportunity to do so. After assigning a quiz, the View Results tab becomes active, so you can see student results as soon as they're submitted. Under this tab, you have access to the quiz level analytics, such as the average, lowest, and highest score, the average time spent on the quiz, and the distribution of scores on the quiz. The results also provide you with detailed class insights, with the ability to categorize by topic or view questions in quiz order. Each question shows the percentage of students who answered correctly. And you can click on a question to view the percentage of students who selected each answer choice. Finally, under the Detailed Student Results, you can organize the statistics by lowest or highest performance or alphabetically. Click Expand Results under a student to view the individual quiz performance, including selected answer choices and skipped questions. We hope you enjoy using Connected Quizzing. If you have any questions, the Quiz Concierge is always available to help.